Hey, my little farmers, this is Farmer Jason over here at Cog Hill Farm. And are you guys ready to do a little singing and a little dancing? Well, good, so let's go. The farmer in the Dell, the farmer in the Dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the Dell. The farmer milks the cow, the farmer milks the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer milks the cow. The farmer hugs the donkey, the farmer hugs the donkey. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer hugs the donkey. The farmer feeds the pig, the farmer feeds the pig. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer feeds the pig. The farmer brushed the goat, the farmer brushed the goat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer brushed the goat. The farmer loads the hay, the farmer loads the hay. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer loads the hay. The farmer pets the emu, the farmer pets the emu. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer pets the emu. The farmer weeds the garden, the farmer weeds the garden. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer weeds the garden. The farmer gathers eggs, the farmer gathers eggs. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer gathers eggs. The farmer in the Dell, the farmer in the Dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the Dell.